Ever ignored your morning alarm and then rushed through the day in panic? Missed breakfast, forgot important things, and spent the entire day feeling scrambled? It's just not your mornings. Your finances can follow the same pattern. Delaying investments, investing irregularly, and making impulsive decisions can leave your finances scrambling too. But let's see what happens when you start investing early, if you delay, and if you stop investing. There are three persons, A, B, and C. A invested early, 15,000 monthly in a mutual fund SIP for 25 years. Total investment Rs 45 lakh. B invested 10 years late, so he invested more, 30,000 monthly in a mutual fund SIP for 15 years. Total investment 54 lakh. C invested but stopped in between. He invested Rs 15,000 monthly in a mutual fund SIP and stopped after 5 years due to volatility. Total investment Rs 9 lakh. And the results are shocking. Corpus of A grew till 2.82 crore rupees. And B and C, even after putting in more money, were not able to grow much wealth. Why? Because wealth grows best with the time. The earlier you start, the more time your money gets to grow. So, the best time to wake up for your finances? It is now. Wake up early for a strong future. Start your SIP today. Connect NJ Wealth Mutual Fund Distributor to know more.